right, this is Taste Test Challenge
Bamboo.
Bamboo Shoots. Okay.
Bamboo is actually the tallest grass in the world. And shoots just mean baby grass. It's kind of like saplings of grass, yeah. And yeah. So I'll probably be bamboozled by how it tastes.
Okay.
I'll try a bit more. That's okay. It's not what I expected, but yeah.
What's it taste like? I've never eaten one. I'm gonna eat one.
They're not really good.
Not good.
Not really good.
They're very like chewy or something.
And also like tastes like nothingness. Kind of tastes like nothing.
Yeah, it doesn't really smell good. It doesn't have a whole lot of taste.
Yeah.
It's not really bad. It's almost like a weird green bean.
Yeah. I do not like green beans.
I do, so it's tolerable. Maybe those are canned, so maybe like a different
Maybe like
fresh one or something would be good.
They're going to grow bamboo.
Yeah, all right.
I'm assuming maybe 2025 is the
So
year of the grass. I don't really know.
0 out of 5 stars.
Yeah.
What would you give it?
0 to 5. I would give it around 2 out of 5.
2 out of 5. All